at one of the Jemez Waterfalls. Dude, where's my Jeep? Go Gadget Jeep. I guess we're gonna walk this way. A few moments later, more Jeep Road. Go Jeep. More Jeep Road. Came down that way. There's a fence down this way. Cars back this way someplace. That's the way we just came. Not sure where that goes. According to the map, the trail is off here to the left. So let's keep going. So there's the trail I came in on. I remember seeing a trail that went off to the side here. Haven't found it yet. I should have marked it. The road's right up on that ridge. So the road that we're just on is up there. I took coming down the easy way and then going to this dry creek. Went up, over through there, and this way. Multiple trails through here. Nothing. So trail, yeah, goes up to the right. The main trail I was just on is to the left. The road is actually right up there. Maybe there might be a trail in here. Follow. Back to the main trail. Yeah, thanks for watching this trail video. It's a little bit different than my gearhead type videos or teaching my daughters what to do on the ranch, but every once in a while you gotta get out. Yeah, like, subscribe, and it's pretty nice up here in the Jemez.